Hit the subscribe, check my channel out. Don't forget notifications. If you really like my video, make sure you share. I'm almost at my 2,000, so let's see what happens. This is my buddy next door, his family. Yeah, he works his ass off, so appreciate this bike. This is sweet, look at that. Got all chromed out. A lot of work on it, you can see all the work. See, with the lights. Yeah. Oh, you hear it purring, huh? You hear it? These are one of the good ones. These are ones you appreciate, these guys. He put his cap on so you can't go ahead and stock them. Look at that, huh? Look. See, that's nice. That's really nice. Look at that. Hope you guys enjoy it. A hard-working man making it happen. A little piece of heaven. A little candy shop.